Welcome to the very first soldering video. What we're going to do is we're going to start off by showing you how to set yourself up for a successful soldering session. And what you're going to need first of all is to make sure you set yourself up somewhere safe within the workshop or the design studio, and that you've covered the desk. Okay, it's really important because we want to protect the quality of the equipment that we have. Okay, you will also then get a bag of resources. In this bag contains all of the components you're going to need in order to make a successful mono amplifier for your MP3 docking station. Okay, now the bag contains one of everything that you need. Okay, so if anything gets lost, your MP3 docking station is not going to work, unfortunately. So when you're working on the electronics, please make sure you only take out of the bag what you require to solder, and everything else stays in the bag. Okay, because everybody's components are going to look the same. If you leave everything out, then chances are someone's going to pick it up by mistake, or it's going to get lost and dropped on the floor. They're very, very small, so just be careful. Okay, so you're going to get your bag, you're going to check your components, and then you're going to write your name on your bag so that no one can get confused as to who the bag belongs to. Okay, then when I'm working on the bag, I can just take everything out. Okay, what you're then going to need to do is grab yourself a soldering iron, which is one of these. The soldering iron is this part here, and the holder is this part here. Okay, now as soon as the soldering iron gets plugged in, it starts to heat up, and so this part of the soldering iron is extremely hot, and you must not touch that at any point during the course of the lesson, even if it's unplugged, because it may have only just been unplugged and it may still be hot. The handle itself is yellow, it's safe to touch that at any point. Okay, so grab yourself a soldering iron, and you want to go to the sink and wet the sponge. Okay, and it'll become clear as to why we need to wet the sponge in a moment. Okay, so get your components, get yourself a soldering iron, and then you'll be ready to start.